Hello, this is Jacob, Master Trader of LearnForexLiveSignals.com. In this video, we are going to be looking very briefly into the charts and also ascertaining the status of the Forex charts as at this time. Before we do that, let's look into the Forex factory to see those high impact news announcements that are scheduled for this upcoming trading week. We have a few of them, a heavy duty news announcement. The Canadian dollar will be feeling the heat right here with that employment data, just like we saw last week Friday for the American dollar. Then we have a monetary policy statement coming from the Euro axis. Okay, these are heavyweight high impact news announcements that you have to give special attention. At any rate, all of these high impact news announcements must be placed on your notepad and ensure that you are not trapped on their release, especially from Tuesday to Friday. Okay, Monday has no high impact news announcement, so Monday is more of a free trading day. This borders mostly if you are an intraday trader. All right, you must be very careful upon these news announcements. Alright, now let's look into the charts. I wouldn't want to waste your time. We know exactly what we are doing, and so we are not going to be wasting our time. Let's look into the euro against the American dollar. As of last week, alright, last trading week, in the midst of the Russia-Ukraine war crisis, we have seen price hesitate a lot, okay? And as of last week, we have seen them breaking out from some of those ranges because it seems the war is now giving some clear direction due to the talks, the ongoing talks. All right, so it seems traders are beginning to come back to take advantage of the forex market. Okay, you can see in the euro against the American dollar, the daily time frame, we are in a range for quite some time. All right, price was flat. This is an extremely difficult market situation to trade in. Okay, so but for last week we saw that breakout of that range. Okay, so price now made a clear directional hint to the downside for traders to see. Okay, although for us there is no valid trading opportunity yet, we are still following after this breakout, but it is an early hint for us to know that the market condition is getting better, and of course that we should be thinking of coming back to the market. Now another pair is the euro against the Japanese yen. Here you can clearly see, in fact this is a nice one for in my opinion. You can see that range. All right, that range right there in the rectangular box. Previously we had that trend to the upside that got broken, then price entered into this sideways bias, that range. Okay, so for last week, what did we get? We got a solid breakout to the downside. Again, for us, we do not have any valid entry at this point, but at any rate we have the hint of the directional bias of price looking at that breakout to the downside, except if it fakes, if it gives us a fake breakout by coming back up into that range. But for now, we are looking for short opportunities in the euro against the Japanese yen. Okay, so this breakout is a good thing, and it's a good hint that hey, the market is now showing some clear directional biases, and so we should be thinking of jumping back on board to trade some of these pairs. Now look into the euro against the Canadian dollar. This is the weekly time frame. This is also a nice breakout. All right, price hesitated for some time, then we saw the breakout as of last week. That's also a good one. What we really do not want to see in these charts are too much of hesitations. All right, too much of hesitation, and it seems that is what the euro against the Canadian dollar has been doing for quite some time. It goes into range, it gives a breakout, then it goes into range again, then breakout again, range. We have gotten another breakout. Well, we will keep searching to see if we find any valid opportunity out of this pair as the breakout has happened. All right, again, another good hint for us to come back trading. Now the euro against the Australian dollar, you see this pair is one of those pairs that saw massive movements as of last week. The Australian dollar crosses and the New Zealand dollar crosses, all right? Massive price movement. You can see in the monthly time frame there was a range, okay? The support right there, and now we are getting that breakout. That's a solid breakout, although it is happening quite early. The month has just started, so we hope we don't get a fake breakout where price returns back up to close as a pin bar, then turn the other way around. So for us in the weekly time frame, where we saw that massive drop as of last week, smashing through that level of support, we will be searching for opportunities in that direction. Okay, like I said earlier, it is a good hint that hey, we have enough volume right now. It is time to begin to look for valid opportunities. Now see the euro against the Swiss franc as of last week as well. Massive breakout to the downside out of this range. Okay, I just want to share with you this high market volume that we saw as of last week, and these are the type of price action that we want to see that is favorable for price action traders like ourselves. Okay, so with this breakout, let's be hopeful that we are going to be finding high quality trading opportunities within next week. See the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen in the daily time frame. I am liking this one because it looks more of a double top right there. Okay, that's the neckline. Then we got that breakout. Okay, breakout of that level. This level, which acted as support, may now act as resistance next time price comes back to retest that level. Okay, so for us, we'll keep that on our radar. We'll be searching for short opportunities. Now the sterling pounds against Australian dollar, you see many of these breakouts that we are going through happened in very straight moves. Okay, most of them are not tradable because price just took off with minimal pullbacks without giving any valid entry. We were here and looking at them, but there is absolutely nothing you can do. All right, of course those valid opportunities will come. All you need to do is just to be patient. So like the sterling pounds against Australian dollar, you can see that massive move. Okay, it was a straight movement. In the daily time frame, you can see how price just kept pushing straight to the downside. Well, because of the uncertainty in Europe, you can see how price just moved in heavy volume. Okay, no entry for us with all of those moves, but wait, don't you worry, we will get those entries as the volume continues to improve. Well, let's just take one more. Finally, the sterling pounds against the New Zealand dollar. Again, straight movement. Okay, last week, good momentum. You can see okay, the last 2 weeks, you can see how price just cruised to the downside. Friday was the highest of the momentum that we saw, breaking free that little level of support right there. Well, again, the simple message here is that market volume seems to have improved, and we will be returning full time into the charts to keep searching for valid trading opportunities. Okay, well, don't you worry, we are in the market, and I can assure you that we will certainly see those beautiful setups, and we will take the trade and continue to make profit. Thanks for staying with us. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, join our Telegram platform, join our WhatsApp group, so you can always get first-hand information concerning the markets and those opportunities that we are looking to trade. We'll see you again. Bye for now.